Getting started with the Spacenus Farm Management API. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the Spacenus Farm Management API to manage farms, fields, and seasons. To begin, we'll walk through the process of creating a new farm. But first, you'll need an API key to use the Spacenus API. Obtain an API key. Navigate to the Spacenus app. Then go to Dashboard. And go to the API Keys section. Oh, here you can view existing API keys, generate new ones, or delete unused keys. Oh, generate a new API key and copy it. Oh, paste this key into the API key field in your API interface. Create a new farm. Go to the Farm section and click on Create. Provide the following details. Farm name. Enter a descriptive name for your farm. Latitude. Specify the latitude for the farm's location. Longitude. Specify the longitude for the farm's location. Address. Set the address for your farm. Notes. Add any additional notes for the farm. Once all fields are filled, click Try It. If successful, your farm has been created. View the farm list. Go to the List section under the Farm menu. Click Try It. You'll see the list of farms, including the one you just created. Create a new season. Go to the Season section and click on Create. Provide the following details. Season name. Enter a descriptive name for your season. Season start date. Enter the season start date. Season end date. Enter the season end date. Once all fields are filled, click Try It. If successful, your season has been created. You'll see the season that already create. Create a new field. Go to the Field section and click on Create. Provide the following details. Field name. Enter a descriptive name for your field. Field boundary. Set a field boundary. Farm ID. Set the farm ID that already create. The farm ID can be found under the Farm API section. Once all fields are filled, click Try It. If successful, your field has been created. You'll see the list of fields, including the one you just created.